Hey guys, I did a cool experiment how to split data in Excel. So we have a pattern here, first name, last name, and first name, middle name, and last name. If we use flash fill, it's not gonna work because the pattern is not the same. So I refuse to do it manually, and I've decided to check two AIs to split this data and see which one is gonna do it faster. So I have here Claude plugin and Genspark plugin. So all you need to do is just highlight this data, type the prompt, split the data to first, middle name, and last name. And we'll do same thing with the Genspark, paste this prompt, and let's see which AI will do it faster, if it can actually do it or not. Let's just speed it up a little. Yeah, so Genspark 1 did a great job. It split the name into first, middle, and last name. Claude did it too, perfectly fine, but Genspark was faster. Do you guys want to try it out? Let me know if you have Claude or Genspark. I can also show you how to install add-in. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.